Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking spaghetti with seafood. Okay then, so I've got the pan on the heat. I've turned the heat on and I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and we'll wait for that to heat up. Okay, once it's heated up, I'm going to add half a small onion, finely chopped, and 3 garlic cloves. And we'll gently brown it up. Okay, once the garlic and onion slightly browned off, we will crumble in a fish flavoured stock cube. And we will also add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water, about 1/3 of a glass, and mix it in until the stock cube has fully dissolved. Once the stock cube has fully dissolved after a couple of minutes, I will add a sprinkle of salt and also the fried tomato sauce. And I will give it a mix in and cover it up and leave it there on number 7 for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we'll give this a stir, and this is smelling delicious. So what I will do is cover it back up and replace it with the water for the spaghetti, and we'll bring that to the boil by turning it right up. Once the water is boiling, we shall grab our spaghetti snap it in half and chuck it in. We'll add some salt and we'll wait for that to cook. Obviously you can add the spaghetti whole without snapping it in half, but today I wanted to do it this way. So once the pasta has been cooked to your own liking, we shall add the seafood in. Turn the heat off and cover it back up, and we shall leave it there for 5 minutes. Then I will take the water out, which I will be keeping to make a soup another day. Then I'll put the spaghetti and seafood back in the pot, and I will add the delicious fishy sauce. And now we shall serve it up. There you go. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe video. If you did, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. And I look forward to sharing my next recipe with you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.